Okay, Misha, you ready to show our garden?
Yeah.
Misha will give you a little tour of what we have. We were actually doing the very... Oh, well, pull it out then. You should pull it out.
Can we fold it out?
Yeah, let's try. Let's see. Whoa!
Oh!
That's a radish! Oh, look who's coming. Look who's coming to us. Hello, Mr. Silver. So what do we have this year? First of all, David, the one... Oh, God, I don't want to have the long sleeves. The wonderful man made these for me. 1, 2, and 3. And speaking of the wonderful man, here he is, Pennsylvania Savage.
What happened here is I removed a row of bricks,
Yeah.
which gave us a little bit more space. And then,
Yeah, the bricks went all the way here.
yeah, so we literally gained almost 12 inches of gardening space on both sides.
God, the sun is brutal.
Then turned all the soil.
When I was little, I had a dream that when I grow up, I will have my own house with tons and tons of green peas. So I can grow my little green peas here. Here we planted some raspberry, 1 bush here and 1 over there. But I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't see any flowers on it now. Planted a little bit of dill, parsley, more dill, and here, ouch, oh no, here should be some shiso, but something, God, Silver's turned into literally street bandit cat. Look at him. Oh, what is it? Look at this cat, Silver. So I don't know, looks like shiso is not coming. It probably froze. A couple of weeks ago we had freezing and everything, not everything, but you see, stuff died, unfortunately. Here supposedly it should have been bush beans, but again, look what happened to them. All died. These are all weeds. Unfortunately, tomorrow I'll spend the day cleaning the weeds. Last fall, we thought it's gonna be a good idea to just leave a little pumpkin here for winter to kind of rot, to basically become compost. I don't know what we were thinking, because this is what happened. And they spread all over the place. And here we go again.
Unfortunately, I tilled in some pumpkin.
Yeah, I explained it already. I found another little island, pumpkin island here as well. Here they are. Oh, and another one is growing here. What else did I plant? Here should be some striped cucumbers. I don't know what's gonna happen. Again, lots and lots of weeds. Some cucumbers, indigo tomatoes, but again, look how bad the soil is. This is not a good soil. Arugula is doing pretty well, and I am especially happy with the onions. I decided to plant them from seeds this year, so we'll see how that goes. And the salad mix, pretty good. At Costco we bought 2 pear trees, $17 each. The lovage. Lovage is the plant that was my mom's favorite. She was absolutely obsessed with it. So I thought it would be really nice to plant my own lovage. It's perennial, kind of in honor of my mom. So every time we have it, we can remember her. This area I am very curious about, because I literally just came and spread a bunch of seeds here, specifically some flower seeds. So some of these are obviously weeds, like these ones, but also those little sprouts, those little youngsters, are some flowers of different varieties. So we will see. I will post an update later. What really irritates me is these stains, water stains. Looks very ugly. This whole fence looks really bad. But I don't know, maybe some other time we will do something about it. Definitely not this year. Here I have a rose bush, and looks like it is. Oh, those birds are going crazy. Looks like it's gonna blossom soon. Gonna be very beautiful. Lots of stuff here. Unfortunately, lots and lots of weeds. So I really need to find time to get rid of them finally. No, this bandit cat is not gonna leave me alone. I am extremely excited about peonies coming, but we need to figure out something about kind of holding them. Here again we have an apple tree from Costco. Lots of other flowers. Here I don't know, we haven't decided. It used to be a lilac bush, but it got all sick, so we got rid of it and haven't planted anything else there. Here everything's blossoming. Really don't know what to do with this stuff, and I'm not even sure what it is. I kind of, Jesus Christ, man, leave me. This one, extremely invasive. It seems like it's cute and all, but unfortunately underground there is a whole system of roots that goes really deep, and they are really thick, so it grows all over the place. There you see it's like taken over. So if somebody knows what it is, please let me know. And super happy about my honeyberries. I grew up with them back in Siberia. Okay. How is it?
What's up?
Of course you can. What's going on?
Well, look at this. They've got some red ones, some white ones, purple. I'm just surprised how crazy fast they
Yeah,
grew.
it took a couple of weeks.
Yeah, and we had some overnight freezes.
Misha asked to record his incredible ride. Woohoo! That was our quick
Little garden update.
yeah. We should do a little update in a month.
Yeah.
When kind of we'll see what exactly worked and what didn't. And
Yeah, the flowers kind of came so fast and went so fast.
Mm-hmm.
I only got a couple brief pictures of them.
Yeah.
And then the sun is so intense, you have to work outside here and here.
As soon as we start recording, some motorcycles.
It's always an adventure.
Yeah, so we are done, and we'll be back in a month. And if somebody has any gardening suggestions, Misha, gardening suggestions, they should share.
Yeah, how to recycle everything in the most efficient way possible.
Composting.
Yeah.
Like what about compost?
Yeah. What are some ideas and hacks?
Yeah. Okay. See you. Пока-пока, Misha.
Bye.
Bye.